That was a big one. Oh.
What is that, a skirt?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, a dress. Hey, what kind is this?
What does it look like?
I think Frozen.
You think so? Does it look like an Elsa costume?
Ooh.
Does that look like an Elsa costume? You were right, Claire. Hey, you want to take off your shirt?
Guess what?
Yeah,
My
yeah.
friend Lila has
You put it
one.
on.
My friend Lila has one.
She does. Oh, up. Okay, now you gotta be a little gentle here. Putting your oopsie. No, here. Look, it's got sleeves. Put your hand in the sleeve. Can you put your hand all the way through?
I bet you better look good.
There you go. Oh, is it too tight?
Sorta.
Well, awesome. We wouldn't want it to fit.
Wait, my.
Your other shirt's on? That's okay. You can keep your other shirt on.
No, I want to take it off.
What do you want to take
Because
Oh, I think we need to make the sleeves a little bigger.
how?
Oh, I know.